Today, I would like to talk about how Cambodian people make a traditional cake called num ansam, one of the most important and meaningful foods in Khmer culture. Num ansam is a traditional sticky rice cake that Cambodian families usually prepare during special occasions, especially during Khmer New Year and Chum Ben festival. Making num ansam is not only about cooking food, but it is also a cultural activity that brings family members together. To begin with, there are two popular types of num ansam. The first one is num ansam chek, which contains banana as the filling. The second one is num ansam kruk, which is filled with pork and mung beans. Although the fillings are different, the preparation process is quite similar. The main ingredients needed to make num ansam include sticky rice, ripe bananas or pork, mung beans, coconut milk, salt, sugar, and banana leaves. The banana leaves are very important because they are used to wrap the cake and give it a natural fragrance during cooking. The first step is preparing the sticky rice. The rice is washed carefully and soaked in water for several hours so that it becomes soft. After soaking, the rice is mixed with coconut milk and a little salt or sugar, depending on whether the cake is sweet or salty. Next, the mung beans are cleaned and steamed until soft. For num ansam kruk, pork is cut into long pieces and seasoned with salt, pepper, and sometimes garlic. For num ansam chek, ripe bananas are peeled and kept whole for the filling. After preparing all the ingredients, families begin wrapping the cake. Banana leaves are cleaned and slightly heated over fire to make them flexible. Then, a layer of sticky rice is placed on the leaf, followed by mung beans and the filling in the center. Another layer of sticky rice is added on top before carefully folding and rolling the banana leaf into a long cylinder, ikal shape. The cake is then tightly tied with bamboo strings to keep its form. Once many cakes are prepared, they are placed together in a large pot filled with water. The cakes are boiled for many hours, usually between 4 to 6 hours. During this time, family members often gather around, talk, laugh, and help each other add firewood or check the water level. This moment creates happiness and strengthens family relationships. When the cooking process is finished, the cakes are taken out and left to cool. The sticky rice becomes soft and fragrant, blending perfectly with the sweet banana or savory pork filling. Num ansam can be eaten immediately or kept for several days.